Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut API Documentation. This tutorial will walk you through the process of understanding and using the Revolut API to build innovative financial applications. Firstly, it is essential to understand what the Revolut API is. The Revolut API is a set of programming interfaces that allows developers to access Revolut services, such as account management, payment processing, and currency exchange. To get started, you need to create a Revolut business account and apply for a developer sandbox. The sandbox environment provides a safe space to test and experiment with the API without affecting live accounts. Once you have access to the sandbox, you can start exploring the API documentation. The documentation is divided into sections, including authentication, accounts, payments, and webhooks. Each section provides detailed information on the available endpoints, request and response formats, and error handling. One of the key concepts to understand is authentication. The Revolut API uses OAuth 2.0 for authentication, which involves obtaining an access token and using it to authenticate API requests. You can obtain an access token by sending a request to the token endpoint with your client credentials. A practical example of using the Revolut API is retrieving a list of accounts. You can do this by sending a GET request to the account's endpoint with the access token in the authorization header. The response will contain a list of account objects, including the account ID, name, and balance. Best practices for using the Revolut API include handling errors and exceptions, implementing proper security measures, and testing thoroughly in the sandbox environment before deploying to production. In conclusion, the Revolut API documentation provides a comprehensive guide to building innovative financial applications. By following this tutorial and practicing with the API, you can unlock the full potential of the Revolut platform and create innovative solutions for your business or customers. Remember to always refer to the official Revolut API documentation for the most up-to-date information and to stay informed about any changes or updates to the API. With the Revolut API, you can build fast, secure, and reliable financial applications that meet the needs of your users.